Hey, Christian, CES 2024. I am in the Sightful booth here at Showstoppers. They have very interesting technology. So what you are looking at here is their specially modified laptop. This is an Xreal, formerly known as Nreal, uh, uh, virtual display. These are VR goggles. And this uses bird bath optics with an LCD display of 1080p resolution per eye. Now this camera is for video conferencing. It's not really used in this application. But what they do is create a virtual desktop, and they've worked with Nreal to modify this headset. It's a little bit different. But it's similar to their headset, but it's been slightly optimized to be able to do this desktop application. So the way they present this is you have a basically a desktop out here, 100-inch basically desktop that can be locked to the laptop, or it can be locked to the room. So in the initial demo that they did, it's locked to the room. I put on the headset. I can look around. I can see multiple documents as I move my head. They are actually very crisp and clear, and that's actually an innovation that they worked on specifically to make sure that you could see that text and render it properly. So what they do is they actually render stereo text. So I don't know if they're measuring the IPD, but they create left and right eye images for each of the displays, so that they perfectly overlap to give that very crisp image. And if there is a mode where you can push the images back and forth, and so they actually will adjust the parallax as you move that whole desktop, virtual desktop, if you will, back and forth. So that's pretty cool. They plan to commercialize this soon. I hope this is basically a prototype at this point, but this can be very, very effective, obviously, on a plane or perhaps in some kind of environment where you want to have a bigger desktop, but you can't put those monitors out there. Like at a trade show where I don't only have a laptop, but I don't want to bring my big monitor with me. Wouldn't that be convenient? So that's pretty much the story. Chris Chinnock here for Insight Media.